10 iconic Bollywood movies of Rani Mukherjee. Rani Mukherjee is one of the most loved actresses in Indian movies. She made her Hindi film debut with Raja Ki Aayegi Baraat in 1996, and since then, she has appeared in many hit and critically acclaimed films. Her talent and charm have made her the queen of many hearts. Fans are eagerly waiting for her upcoming projects. So let's take a look at some of Rani Mukherjee's best movies that show off her amazing acting skills. और ये तो बस शुरुआत है, क्योंकि रानी की हर फिल्म में कुछ नया देखने को मिलता है। नंबर 10, कुछ कुछ होता है, 1998. कुछ कुछ होता है is a beloved Bollywood movie from 1998, directed and written by Karan Johar, starring Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol and Rani Mukherjee. It's a 3-hour and 5-minute long roller coaster of emotions. On platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, you can easily catch this iconic film. It's about a girl named Anjali, who's head over heels in love with her best friend Rahul. But here's the twist. Rahul ends up falling for Tina instead, leaving poor Anjali heartbroken. Fast forward a few years and Rahul's daughter comes into the picture, determined to bring her dad and Anjali back together. It's a story of friendship, love and second chances, all wrapped up in a 3-hour-long movie featuring superstars like Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol and Rani Mukherjee. And if you haven't seen it yet, you can catch it on Netflix or Amazon Prime Video.
इस गहरी दोस्ती के पीछे कहीं ना कहीं गहरा प्यार छुपा है और मैं नहीं चाहती कि वो दोस्ती जो प्यार में बदल सकती है, मैं उस दोस्ती के बीच आ जाऊं.
Number 9, Saathiya, 2002. Saathiya, a film from 2002, runs for about 2 hours and 18 minutes. It stars Rani Mukherjee and Vivek Oberoi. The director is Shad Ali. You can catch it on Amazon Prime Video. Saathiya is a favorite among fans of Rani Mukherjee. It tells the story of Aditya and Suhani, who fall in love despite objections from their families. They decide to run away together. लेकिन उनकी प्यार भरी कहानी में जल्द ही असल जिंदगी की हकीकत दाखिल हो जाती है. Their love story faces challenges when they start facing the realities of married life. It's a roller coaster of emotions and challenges, capturing the essence of love and commitment in the face of adversity. Saathiya offers a realistic portrayal of relationships and the struggles that come with them.
तुम साफ साफ क्यों नहीं कहते कि तुम्हें मेरी जरूरत नहीं? कोई दूसरी पसंद आ गई हो तो जा सकते हो.
Number 8, Hum Tum, 2004. Hum Tum is a Bollywood movie released in 2004. It runs for 2 hours and 22 minutes, starring Saif Ali Khan, Rani Mukherjee and other talented actors. You can catch it on Amazon Prime Video. Directed by Kunal Kohli, the film revolves around the lives of Karan and Riya. ये दोनों पहली दफा एक फ्लाइट में मिले. Their paths cross repeatedly over time, leading to unexpected twists and turns in their relationship. As they navigate through life's ups and downs, they discover new aspects of themselves and each other. Through laughter, tears, and heartfelt moments, Hum Tum explores the journey of love, friendship, and self-discovery. With its engaging storyline and memorable performances, it's a film that resonates with audiences even years after its release.
इतनी सी बात नहीं है करण. It's about my life. ये मेरी जिंदगी की बात है. और जिंदगी में हर बात मजाक नहीं होती.
Number 7, Veer Zara, 2004. Veer Zara, a 2004 film directed by Yash Chopra, is a captivating tale that spans over 3 hours and 12 minutes. Starring Shah Rukh Khan, Preeti Zinta and Rani Mukherjee, it's a story that will keep you hooked. ये कहानी है एक हिंदुस्तानी पायलट वीर और एक पाकिस्तानी लड़की ज़ारा की, जो एक दूसरे से बेहद प्यार करते हैं. But here's the twist. Veer gets wrongly imprisoned for years, putting their love story in jeopardy. Rani Mukherjee, as always, shines in her role as the steadfast lawyer determined to fight for Veer's rightful freedom. It's a movie that will make you laugh, cry, and believe in power of love. And you can watch it on Amazon Prime Video.
आज़ादी हर इंसान का पैदाइशी हक है और ये हक दिलाना मेरा फर्ज.
Number 6, Black, 2005. Black, a movie released in 2005, runs for 2 hours and 4 minutes. It stars Rani Mukherjee and Amitabh Bachchan and is directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. You can watch it on Netflix. This film is often regarded as one of Rani Mukherjee's finest works. It tells the touching tale of Michelle, a woman who is both deaf and blind. Her journey intertwines with that of Debraj, her elderly and troubled teacher, forming a deep bond between them. The movie explores themes of perseverance, friendship, and the power of human connection. Its emotional depth and stellar performances make it a must-watch for anyone seeking a moving cinematic experience.
God. Knowledge is my teacher.
Bravo!
Number 5. Bunty or Bubbly, 2005. In 2005, a fun-filled flick hit the screens named Bunty or Bubbly, lasting for a cool 2 hours and 50 minutes. Starring the dynamic duo of Abhishek Bachchan and Rani Mukherjee alongside the legendary Amitabh Bachchan, it was directed by Shad Ali. You can catch this gem on Amazon Prime Video. Imagine Bunty and Bubbly played by Rani and Abhishek, embarking on a thrilling journey of mischief and trickery. लेकिन उनका ये बदमाशियों भरा सफर एक नज़र से देखा जाए तो it's more than just about pranks and laughs. It's about friendship, dreams, and the adventure of living life on the edge. However, their escapades don't go unnoticed by a vigilant police commissioner, adding a twist to their tale. Bunty or Bubbly isn't just a movie. It's a roller coaster ride of emotions, laughter, and a touch of masala.
क्या है कोई बात नहीं हम तो ऐसे ही हमदर्दी में
Number 4. Tara Rampam, 2007. Tara Rampam, released in 2007 and available on Amazon Prime Video, is a Bollywood movie directed by Siddharth Anand. Starring Saif Ali Khan, Rani Mukherjee, Javed Jafri, Ali Haji, and Angelina Idnani, the film runs for 2 hours and 35 minutes. It revolves around RV, a skilled car racer whose life takes a drastic turn after an accident wrecks his promising career. RV, played by Saif Ali Khan, faces numerous challenges and setbacks, but his family, especially his wife and kids, become his pillars of strength. They stand by him, showing resilience in the face of adversity. एक्सीडेंट के बाद उनकी जिंदगी में एक बड़ा बदलाव आता है as RV's journey unfolds, highlighting the importance of family bonds and perseverance in difficult times.
मैं जानबूझ के आ रहा था, वरना 1 साल के गैप के बाद भी अगर पहले ही रेस में फर्स्ट आ जाता तो सब कहते रेस फिक्सिंग की है। ये आरवी कभी हारता ही नहीं, हाँ?
Number 3. No One Killed Jessica, 2011. No One Killed Jessica, a movie from 2011, lasts for about 2 hours and 11 minutes. Starring Rani Mukherjee, Vidya Balan, and Myra Khan, it's directed by Rajkumar Gupta. You can catch it on Netflix if you're interested. This film tells a powerful story based on true events. It's about Jessica, a model whose life is tragically ended by the son of a powerful politician. But her sister doesn't let her death go unnoticed. She teams up with Meera, a journalist, to fight for justice. The film is gripping and emotional, shedding light on the struggle for truth and justice in a system often skewed by power and influence.
I don't understand how you can let your sister's killers get away. I don't understand how you can give up when the entire nation's fighting for her. तुम्हारी बहन थी.
Number 2. Mardani, 2014. In the movie Mardani, released in 2014, lasting for about 1 hour and 53 minutes, you will see familiar faces like Rani Mukherjee, Tahir Raj Bhasin, and Jishu Sen Gupta. It's directed by Pradeep Sarkar and you can catch it on Amazon Prime Video. Mardani introduces us to Senior Inspector Shivani Shivaji Roy, played by Rani Mukherjee, who's like a fierce lioness protecting her cubs. She's a determined officer in the Mumbai police force, always on her toes to fight against the evil forces in society. Through her journey, she confronts the harsh reality of child trafficking, a plague infesting the streets of Delhi. Her pursuit is not just a job, it's a personal mission, driven by her dedication to justice and her passion for safeguarding the innocent.
को मेरा नाम ठीक से बोल। शिवानी शिवाजी रॉय। उखाड़ जो उखाड़ने का। चल रहे।
Number 1. Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway, 2023. Have you seen Rani Mukherjee's latest flick, Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway on Netflix? It's a captivating tale that runs for about 2 hours and 13 minutes. The movie stars Rani Mukherjee along with Jim Sarab, Anirban Bhattacharya and Neena Gupta, directed by Ashima Chibbar. Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway unfolds the story of an Indian woman living in Norway with her family. एक इंडियन औरत की कहानी जो नॉर्वे में अपने परिवार के साथ रहती है, मगर फिर आगे क्या होता है? वो अपने बच्चों की हिफाजत के लिए नॉर्वेजियन अथॉरिटीज के खिलाफ एक कानूनी जंग शुरू करती है. It's a powerful narrative that sheds light on the complexities of cross-cultural legal battles and maternal instincts. So if you're up for a gripping drama, this one's a must-watch.
अच्छा माँ है, बुरा माँ है, पता नहीं, पर माँ है.
And that wraps up our journey through 10 iconic Bollywood movies featuring the talented Rani Mukherjee. Which of these movies is your all-time favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates and tell us what you'd like to see next.